Hi, this is Ken. I'm now on a 2015 Suburban, and today I'm going to introduce you the navigation interface from Centigrade. Actually, I still got this car on not put it back yet, and I'm going to show you how the box go into the car. So we don't need to take off the central console and the screen to add an interface. You only need to get the HDMI module from the underneath of the glove box. Is inside the glove box. You get the HDMI box, and then connect our system attached to the HDMI box, and then you can have the navigation interface function. And also one good feature is we use a very OEM style antenna. This is a splitter. Actually we use the OnStar antenna and then split the signals to the OnStar module and also to our interface system for the GPS signal. So now I'm going to show you how to operate the navigation interface. Actually this is OEM style, and we add two new icon for switch. One is to switch, and then if you click the next page, you go right into our home page of the navigation interface. As you can see, this is very amazing system that the UI designs, the colors, all the stuff, it is just like the OEM. So you don't, if you are not the installer or the seller, the end users would not even know what you add to this system. They saw this is just OEM. So after you add this navigation interface, you got more functions like navigation, HDMI to input all the HDMI device to the OEM screen, and then the OBD information so that you know more about your vehicles, and then another setting for the interface homepage. Now I'm going to show you one by one the features. One is the first one is the nav. So after I click the nav, it goes right into the navigation homepage, navigation map. And this is the latest version of iGo Map. So I'm going to show you a demo.
Take the next right onto ND 593 West Tropicana Avenue.
As you can hear, the sound is actually coming from a mix, so you can hear the OEM radio. At the same time, you can hear the navigating voice. And as you can see, I'm ending the demo. As you can see, when I adjust the volume, the OEM volume bar will also show in our system. Also the AC control for the temperature, and also for the fan level. Also for this kind of direction. As you can see, it's changing there. So actually, there's a one very good feature that if I paired it my phone, I'm going to pair my phone to the OEM system.
Bluetooth. Pay the sales tax for you on your full-frame Canon SLR camera. And where else will you get the best deal than Colonial Photo and Hobby's Canon trained and knowledgeable sales staff? They have camera classes too, as well as all the great Canon products to make picture taking fun and exciting. Canon long life battery.
Okay, I have paired my phone to the OEM Bluetooth, and then I'm going to show you in the map if I call the phone. So I'm calling this paired phone, and you can see how the incoming call will come up on the map. This is a very amazing technology that we use to overlay the incoming call information on the map, right on the map, and you can take the call from here or you can ignore the phone. So if I tap ignore, the pop-up will just go away, and it will not affect your navigating functions. Alright, so I'm going to show you the other functions when you click. And then the other one is HDMI function. Actually, we can switch by the media source of the OEM to switch to the HDMI function. So if you get into this HDMI page, you can get the HDMI cable, connect to the interface box. But this Apple adapter, you have to buy it from Apple sources, Apple shops. After you connect it, you can tap the video to show your screen up there, and you can use any app. If you use the Apple map and you do the landscape, you can have a full screen of the OEM on the OEM screen. So as you can see, the resolution is very good. The definition is very high. Also, you can play or move it if you want. I am now showing a YouTube movie. It depends on the internet. As you can see, actually we can add more features like MP3, MP4. This is I'm introducing another vehicle navigation interface for Ford. You can also find it on my YouTube. Alright, pause. Okay, this is for the HDMI. If you will tap, it will go back to the home. And then if you want to hit the radio, you hit the radio. So next is the OBD information. So this OBD information, we got all the data right from the original car CAN bus data. So these data will help you know more about your vehicles. For example, the park brake, and then voltage and temperature, and then the mileage and the speed. Also, if you open the door, you see a miracle icons here. It will show you the open of the door, and also open the other door. So all the doors closed, it will look very professional, like the OEM's way. So, and for the settings, we have different settings for navigation, and this one we got a very good setting is the navigation option. We can use the OnStar. If I click the interface navigation, when you go to the home page, you see the OnStar nav. We have changed this one into our nav. If you select that selection, so if you click, it will go right into our iGo map instead of go to the OnStar map. This is very convenient for the end user to use these features. So I'm gonna change it back to interface. And also for media, we have a EQ setting for all the medias. And for a system, we have system update and the system info. And one of the very good feature is the rear view camera setting. We have already got the rear view camera interface integrated in this system. So if you hit the rear view camera setting, if you hit off, it will turn off. If you hit on, it will turn on the OEM camera. And then if you hit off, it will turn off the camera. And then if you hit on, you have two selections in the rear view camera options. One is OEM, one is aftermarket. If you select it OEM, we can use the OEM camera. If the OEM vehicles doesn't come with OEM camera, you can select aftermarket and install an aftermarket camera in this vehicle. and show the aftermarket camera. Of course, I didn't connect a camera in this box, but after you connect a camera in this box, you can see the camera views from the OEM screen. Alright, once again, this is very OEM style navigation interface from Syndigrade, easy switch, and all the functions are performing very professional. And also for one more thing is, you know, for the OEM, they have a Blu-ray connection up here. They can play the video, and this one they have got a Blu-ray connector behind the dash, and this one will not affect any of our interface system, and we can support to the vehicles with Blu-ray or without Blu-ray. Also, this interface can be used on other GM series of vehicles. I mean, for the new series of Mylink system, you can use for Silverado, Colorado, Impala, Suburban, Tahoe. And also we will extend the product to fit on GMC Yukon and GMC Sierra and GMC Canon. For more information, you can visit my YouTube and subscribe my YouTube, and I will put more videos in there. If you have any questions, you can email me by my email address appear in my YouTube. Thank you so much.